What's up, everybody? How are you doing today? Hope you're well. It's your girl Irene here. And guess what, guys? Today, I'm bringing you a 3-bedroom apartment. Guys, this is a 3-bedroom apartment located at Greatwall Gardens, Athi River. Yes, guys. And guys, as you can see, this is a fully furnished apartment. Yes. And guys, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Please subscribe, and I'll be giving you goodies, awesome stuff, awesome content, matters to do with houses, mashambas, interior design and deco, business ideas, and the latest Airbnbs. Yes, guys, this is an Airbnb located at Greatwall Gardens, Athi River. And guys, just check this out. Check this out. Check this. This is the sitting room. And guys, people who love green like I do. This is awesome stuff. Very beautiful plants there we have. Look at this table. Look at this table. Wow, I love this. And this house has an open plan kitchen. Come with me and see. It's an open plan kitchen. We have your fridge there, and it's a very big one, by the way, for that matter. We have your microwave. We have your cooker here. Guys, the details of the nice decor we have here is just amazing, We have utensils, and I love this, I love this. When there is smoke and all that, you don't have to worry about that. You have storage space up there and more storage space down here. Look at this. I love this for your coffee, your spice, your salt, your tea. Oh guys, this is so amazing. Let's go and see the bedrooms. This is the master bedroom. Whew, look at this bed. Oh my god, it's so big. Look at that. This is a very big size bed. This is a king size bed. And guys, just check that out. put your bedding and all that. And let's check them. This is Ensuite, guys. Check this out. And I love this detail of the sliding doors. Whoa, I love that. Love it. This is nice privacy. You know, you can have your someone doing your thing here, and as you shower there. So I love that. I love that. You also have a fan here, just in case it's very hot, and you know, you just want, that breeze around here, so you're good to go. So let's go and check bedroom number 2. So this is the second bedroom, and guys, hey, check this space. Check this space, storage space here. Oh, this is also, check that out. And this is a 4x6 bed, very cozy. Hey guys, look at that! Just look at that. Very nice, with very nice curtains. This one should be a men's bedroom. So if you're coming with, your family and you have boys, this will work best for boys. The colors are so boyish. Okay, even girls can do this, but I love this. I love this for boys. The navy blue, the gray. Yeah, that vibe looks just a boyish thing. So bedroom number 3, guys. Okay, bedroom number 3 is locked for now. Yes. But it just looks like this bedroom. It's the same, by the way. It's actually the same. I'll do another video on the same, and you get to see the 3rd bedroom. But for now, yeah, you will have the masters and this bedroom. But no, this is a 3-bedroom house. That's it. So let's go and check the common washroom. So guys, this is the common washroom, and just check that out. Very spacious, very clean, very awesome. Yeah, look at that. I love it. I love it. I love it. So you have your sink here. This is where you brush your teeth, wash your hands and all that. And you have your mirror there. Yeah, guys. That is nice. That is very nice. So guys, that's it. This is a 3-bedroom, fully furnished apartment. And guys, if you want to book this space, just call the number up there. Yeah, call the number up there, and let's start talking. Let's see how you're going to come and stay in this beautiful, beautiful house. So guys, until next time, later.